Hello rail fans, and welcome to another French Fried Trains Minecraft train tutorial. Today we're going to be building another 1-to-1 scale train, and we're going to be building this Pennsylvania Railroad GG1 electric locomotive. And we have done these in full size before, but this is the 1-to-1 scale version. So let's get right into it. So our first step is to take polished blackstone brick wall, and we're going to put 3 of them coming across the rails. Then a dark oak slab on the middle, and open a fence gate on either side. Then come behind it, we're going to skip 1 block backward from this on the upper hitbox. And we need 2 rows of 3 polished blackstone brick slabs on the upper hitbox. Then we're going to put a grindstone here and here, and then 1 here and here, because these front wheels are smaller. Then we'll crouch and we'll get an end rod between each set of grindstones for the axle. Then, behind this, we're going to open a fence gate above each rail. Behind that, 3 blackstone brick walls coming across the bottom middle. Then we'll do a set of netherite wheels with an end rod axle. Then 3 walls, another set of wheels and an axle, 3 walls, another set of wheels and an axle. Then come through and put a wither skeleton skull on the side of all 6 of these wheels. Then 3 walls and another 3 walls, and then 1 in the middle. Then skip a block, 1 in the middle, 2 rows of 3 walls, a set of wheels with an end rod axle, 3 walls, another set of wheels and an axle, 3 walls, another set of wheels and an axle. Then 3 walls again. Then we'll come through these wheels and get a wither skeleton skull on the sides of all these wheels here. Then up here we'll open a fence gate on either side. Then we're going to skip 1 block forward from this, and we need to come on the upper hitbox and do 2 rows of 3 blackstone brick slabs. Then we'll put a grindstone here and here, and a grindstone here and here. In front of this, 3 walls coming across, then a dark oak slab on the middle, and open a fence gate on either side. Now take out brown concrete in the middle, 1 block back from this first set of walls here, and we're going to make it 3 high in the center, and we're going to bring that down to the other end, right up the middle. And when we get down here, we're going to stop when we're aligned with these final set of grindstones here. Then take out a dark oak trapdoor. And we need 1 on the bottom down here, right above the grindstone. And then 1 on this side. Do the same thing at the other end. 1 here, 1 here. Then on this end, we're going to put a regular item frame and a glow item frame with a frog light. Do the same thing down here, a regular item frame and a glow item frame with a frog light. Then on the side behind this trapdoor, 2 brown concrete and a dark oak stair. Same thing here. Then we'll repeat it at this end, so 2 brown concrete and a stair right here. Same thing on this side. Then we're going to be coming above this innermost wheel on this end and put 2 outward facing dark oak stairs here, and then 2 above this wheel. Copy it on this side, 2 here, 2 here. Then we're going to fill all the rest of this side in 3 high with brown concrete. Come right over the top of these stairs here, and just keep it coming, fill in this whole middle section. Come over the top of these stairs and fill this all in down to this end. And we're going to do the exact same thing on the other side. Fill this all in, 3 high with brown concrete. Come right over the top of the stairs. Fill this whole middle section in. come over the top of these stairs, and then fill this all in to the end. Now we're going to come on this top edge and start one block over from where these stairs are and do a line of brown concrete and bring it one block past these stairs. Then copy it over on this side here. And then we're going to change the center block on each side to a redstone block. Then we need to grab a black concrete, put a black concrete on the middle here, one at this end, and then a black stained glass block on either side of the black concrete here. And then same thing down here, a glass block on each side. Then on this top middle, we'll do a line of brown concrete and stop one block before the end and put a dark oak slab. Then copy that down here, a line of brown concrete and a dark oak slab on the very front. Then we'll fill in the middle of this with brown concrete. Then we're going to put a black stained glass pane here and here, and then one here and one here. Then we'll come on top of this with dark oak trapdoors. Align with these stairs here, come 3 across here, 3 across, align with those stairs, and fill everything in between it with trapdoors. Then right here we'll do 2 lines of brown carpet and 2 lines of brown carpet on this end. Next, we're going to take out a dark oak fence gate, and we're going to come up on the side of the nose up here, put 1 fence gate right here, 1 on this side, and then do the same thing on each side over here. Then a row of dark oak trapdoors up here, and same thing here. Then get the other side, and this corner here. Then we're going to take out an oak sign, and we're going to put 1 on this side here, 1 on this side here. Then come around the corner, 1 here. And actually we need to grab iron bars here. On either side of these stairs, we'll put a column of 3 iron bars, and same thing on this side of stairs. Then we'll come around and get the other side, 3 iron bars on either side of these stairs, and same thing here. Then we'll come back with oak signs here. We're going to come up on this level here and do a line of signs over to the iron bars. Then we'll do a line of signs in between them here. And then come past them and a line of signs down to the end. Then 1 sign here, 1 on the front here, 1 here, 1 here. And then same thing on this side up here, a full line of signs over to the iron bars. Then across this middle. Then down here. And then 1 down in this corner. Now take out an oak button, 1 on this redstone block, and a full row across this bottom middle here. Then we'll put 4 here, come over here and 4 here. Copy this pattern on the other side. So we'll do 4 here, a full row across this section, and 4 here. Then take out a dark oak sign above this grindstone, and we're going to put a sign with our number 4568. Hit it with yellow dye and a glowing sack. Come to this end above this grindstone and same thing, a sign with 4568, and hit it with yellow dye and a glowing sack. Then we repeat it over here. Sign with 4568, yellow dye, glow ink sack, and 1 more corner to go. Do the same thing right here. Then above this sign, we're going to take oak trapdoors and we're going to close 3 of them like this. Same thing on this corner, close 3 right here. Then get the other side. 3 right here, and 1 more corner, 3 right here. Next we'll make some banners to come into a loom, black banner and brown dye, put a border on, and make the bottom half brown. Then we're going to do a yellow banner in red dye, and we're going to put a vertical on each side and a horizontal on top and bottom. This red one's for the logo on the nose here, so put that in this item frame. And then same thing at the other end. Then the other one's for the doors. So come on the side here, put one banner here and one here. Then we'll do the same thing on this side, one here and one here. Now, come on top here. We're gonna put 2 brown carpet up here, an iron trap door, then skip a block and another trap door. In between the trap doors, we're gonna do a column of 3 temporary blocks coming up. Then open a fence gate on either side of the top here. Take out the top one and put a sideways fence gate. Then on the side of this here, we're going to put 3 temporary blocks like this. Then we can take out these 2, open a fence gate on the bottom here in the middle, then open one here, come over here, and open one this way here. Then take these 3 off, and now we have our pantograph. Then up here, we need 2 brown carpet here. Then on this end, 2 brown carpet, iron trap door, skip a block trap door, 2 carpet. Then we're going to put 1 temporary block in the middle here, open a fence gate on either side of it, and a sideways fence gate in the middle because this pantograph will be folded down. And I forgot a button on the side of that redstone block there. So it looks like that. And there we have it, folks. We've completed our Minecraft 1:1 scale Pennsylvania Railroad GG1 electric locomotive here. I hope everyone enjoyed this build. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And everyone have a great week. Stay safe out there, rail fans.